Today I'm at Tanjung-dae, beautifully perched on the cliffs above the Namhan River in Cheongju. The name itself comes from the legendary musician Urayak, who used to play his traditional gayajim right here during the Silla dynasty. Taking a slow stroll down these lush green paths, you can almost hear those ancient melodies still lingering in the breeze. Walking through the dense pine trees, the first thing that catches my eye is the Cheonghantap Monument, reaching quietly toward the sky. It strikes me how this peaceful forest, echoing with ancient musical legends, is also a solemn resting place for the souls who gave their lives for the country. I lower my head for a moment, taking a quiet pause to honor their noble sacrifice. As I walk a little further, I come face to face with a painful chapter from the Imjin War. Here stands the memorial monument honoring General Sinrip and the 8,000 fallen souls. I imagine the general and his men, with the rushing river at their backs, making a desperate final stand with absolutely nowhere to retreat. Gazing up at these bronze statues, I can almost feel the intensity of their last battle, as if their desperate cries are still echoing through the air. As I wander around Tanjung-dae, I notice how the deep layers of time are preserved in the various monuments and sculptures scattered throughout the park. I come across the quiet Potato Flower Song Monument, which holds a gentle spirit of resistance from the colonial era, as well as the Tanjung-dae Story Song Monument, where I see visitors naturally pausing to reflect. With war art and countless personal stories woven together, it truly feels like I'm walking through a massive open-air museum of memories. Heading deeper into the forest, I make my way up to Tanjungjeong Pavilion. A refreshing river breeze gently cools the sweat on my forehead. As I look out between the wooden eaves and pillars, the gracefully flowing Namhan River and the surrounding landscape of Cheongju unfold before me, just like a beautiful, traditional painting. Following the stairs down from the pavilion, I find myself at Yeoldu-dae, standing right at the edge of a dizzying cliff. Legend has it that General Sinrip climbed up and down this very spot 12 times during battle to cool his burning bowstrings in the river below. As I look out, the majestic river silently winds its way past the massive rocks. It flows so peacefully, seemingly oblivious to the fierce history it witnessed, leaving me with a profound, lingering sense of awe. As my journey through Tanjung-dae comes to a close, my steps naturally lead me to the tranquil Daehungsa Temple. The courtyard is beautifully draped in colorful lotus lanterns, and the delicate ring of the wind chime hanging from the eaves gently soothes my mind. It's amazing how the deep scars of a fierce war and the beautiful, lingering melodies of Urayak peacefully coexist here across time. Standing in the breeze blowing up from the cliffs, I take a quiet moment to carry Tanjung-dae's profound history and comforting spirit with me.